comes the dust storm. Arizona monsoons.
It's not hot anymore. Can you put me down? It's not hot.
It's moving really fast. Wow. Here it comes.
It's so hot. Huh? My so hot.
Okay, go inside and shut the door.
No.
Then go inside.
Whew. Oh, it's surrounded the house now. Here it comes down the street.
Where'd you put the camera?
It's in my pocket.
TV inside.
Inside, baby. It's gonna get dusty in your eyes. Go inside.
Get dust in the eyes. Go and shut the door.
I'm gonna turn it off here in a second. Better run inside. Better run inside. Pretty much the whole street's covered.
I mean, just in time, like, I gotta go. My kid's sick at 7. You said till 7. And I came outside and half the hospital's outside. I'm like, what the fuck are you guys looking at? They're like, look at that cloud coming at us. Like, what fucking cloud? That's a wall of dust, man. I got some hot ass pictures too on the way over.
Holy shit. Wow.
They go from my first town.
Oh, I can't see. Good luck, bird. Wow, that's an intense dust storm. Holy crap. Just got dark instantly. Poor Honda. Walk out to the street here. Can't even see the street. Ugh, mouth's full of dust. Okay, that's all.